everyone, this is Kashvi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share calculations and variables in Python. So let's get started. पहले मैं आपको बताती हूँ Python के ऑपरेटर्स के बारे में और उन्हीं से आज हम कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर ऑपरेटर्स आखिर होते क्या हैं? यहाँ पर है उसका आंसर. बेसिक सिंबल्स यूज्ड इन पाइथन टू परफॉर्म मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस. मतलब आसान भाषा में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि बेसिक सिंबल्स जो पाइथन में यूज होते हैं मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस को यूज करने के लिए, उन्हें हम पाइथन ऑपरेटर्स कहते हैं. अब यहाँ पर पाइथन ऑपरेटर्स की एक लिस्ट है, तो चलिए जानते हैं वो कौन कौन सी है. ये प्लस का साइन यूज होता है एडिशन के लिए. ये माइनस साइन यूज होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन. दिस asterisk, this is used for multiplication, and this forward slash is used for division. Be sure that your forward slash stop should be to the right. So let's start our work. So now we will start the calculations in Python. So let's start. Here we will take 10 multiplied by 365. So what to do? We will type 10, then asterisk sign, and then 365, and the answer we know that is 3650, means 3650. So after getting that answer, I want that to be divided by 5. Okay, now divided by 5. Now let's enter. So that's 730.0. Okay, 0.0 इसको कभी कंसिडर मत करना, मतलब वो होता नहीं है. तो 10 multiplied by 365. ओके, तो अब इसमें बॉडमास का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. मतलब जो कैलकुलेशंस वगैरह हुई हैं पाइथन में वो बॉडमास के जरिए हुई हैं. मतलब ये मत समझना कि पहले 10 से 365 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ एंड ब्ला ब्ला. तो पहले यहाँ पर 365 5 से डिवाइड हुआ. क्यों? बॉडमास, ब्रैकेट ऑफ division, then multiplication. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, now first it is being divided by that. Then with the answer which came, it multiplied it with 10. So that's how we get the answer. We will now let's take some addition sums. Okay, now let's take this one only. Okay, I shared the shortcuts in the last video of mine, so it's here. And now we will add, but how to add? Shift plus, and we will write 20. Let's do that. Now enter. Let's see the answer. 750.0 मीन्स ये जो आंसर आया था ना, इसमें बस 20 ऐड कर दिया गया आंसर. इजी है ना, ये तो हम लोग भी कर सकते हैं. तो चलो अब हम ब्रैकेट का यूज करके कुछ करते हैं. अभी हम लेते हैं ओपन पैरेंथेसिस मीन्स ब्रैकेट, एंड उसमें हम लिखेंगे 5 plus 30. Okay, now 5 plus 30 equals to what? We know that 5 plus 30, and then out of the parentheses and multiplied by 20 at risk and 20. Okay, now the answer will be what? It's 700. Okay, now let's get that sum once again and just copy down here, and let's divide it by 10. Okay, 10. Now enter. We got 70.0. It is everything done in Python using BODMAS. And in maths also, any sum which is given to you that you should do using BODMAS only. So now let's take the same sum we will take here. Okay, now but without bracket. Okay, now let's take 5 plus 30 and then multiplied by 20. Okay, that's we got. And now the answer will be 605. But here it doesn't give 605 because it was following BODMAS. Okay, now you can also take bracket in bracket. I just want to say you can do like this also, like this, and inside like this. You can also do like that. That's easy. It won't give any error. So let's write it. 5 plus 30. 5 plus 30, and then out of that parentheses, and then we will give the sign of asterisk, that means multiply, and then we will type 20, and then out of the parentheses, and then slash, I mean forward slash, to divide by 10. Okay, now let's see the answer, that is 70.0 only. But how? As same as we did, because the first it divided between this. Okay, means 5 plus 30 equals 35, and after that the answer which it got and then it divided by 10. But here it didn't use the BODMAS. But why? So the answer is because the bracket of in BODMAS, it is using the bracket of multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. That's all. And it always divides first in the bracket, which is in the bracket. Now I've done many calculations over here, so let's move to variables. Now what are variables? Does anybody know what are variables? Let me take that. Now, as I have told you about operators in Python, so let's move to variables. Now, this question may come in your mind that what are variables? Variables are a way of storing things in a computer program, and they also help to write useful things. Means easy language में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में जो वर्ड वेरिएबल यूज होता है वो इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करने के लिए होता है. अब आप अपने आप से कोई भी वेरिएबल बना सकते हैं. ये कोई फिक्स नहीं है जो पाइथन में वेरिएबल होगा आप उसी को यूज करो. एक्चुअली कोई फिक्स भी नहीं है, इसमें कोई वेरिएबल है भी नहीं फिक्स. तो हाँ, अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं वेरिएबल्स. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वेरिएबल्स बनाना. यहाँ पर हम अपने ही नाम का एक वेरिएबल बनाते हैं. आई टेक माई नेम काशवी. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग माई नेम काशवी. ओके, इट्स हियर. नाउ equals to sign, give space between equals to sign, and I'll write 600 or 1000. I wrote 600, and after that when you write print, you wrote, oh sorry, in the next line you must write print, and that open parentheses, and inside you must you need to write Kashvi. K-A-S-H-V-I. Any name, your name. Okay, here is my name, so I'm writing my name over here, and now enter. It gives us the answer 600. Means the variable Kashvi stored the information 600, and when we wrote print function here and in parentheses we wrote Kashvi, it gave the information over here. We can take any example. So let's take many more. Okay, now Kashvi. Oh sorry, in the next line. Now Kashvi. Oh, ये क्या होगा? Kashvi. Oh sorry, Kashvi. and equals to, equals to 600. We did it just right now, and enter. We can write anything like I want to write name. Okay, NAME, name equals Kashvi. Okay, that's all. And now we'll write print function we'll use here, and after that we will do, okay, now we will write print Kashvi comma name. Okay, Kashvi will write first, Kashvi comma name. That's done. Now enter. It gives us 600. What do you mean by that? It means that the name Kashvi, here is the variable name. Okay, it restores the variable Kashvi, and the variable Kashvi stores 600. So that's the answer, 600. Okay, you can make your own variables, use your names, class, section, anything. You can do anything with that. So for example, you can take any alphabet, like I took G and I equaled it and just wrote Suman. Okay, Suman, and enter. Oh, it gave us, name Suman is not defined. In this error, I've got my mistake. Okay, in over here I just got my mistake. What that? Trace back most recent call last. File Python shell line 1 in module gsuman. Name error, name Suman is not defined. But why? Okay, that's all. In the next video, I'll get an answer for that, and that's all for today's video. So take care and bye bye.